In today's episode of Total Recap, learn a special Valentine's Day deal happening at Main Event.
Also, we have a new sports report from the Big West. Catch up with the Olympics and the Rockets game and the Super Bowl score.
Also, tune in to our interviews with Mrs. Vogel receiving Teacher of the Week.
We are also here with your weekend forecast as well. With it being cloudy and raining, getting to the upper 60s to lower 80s. Stay tuned to learn more.
Streaming on the KTIG YouTube channel every week.
This episode of Total Recap starts now!
What is up, all you lovebirds? I have seen all you cute couples in the hallways, and I'm tired of it! Now, how about you take your PDA somewhere else? Maybe somewhere like Main Event. That's right. This Saturday from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m., Main Event is holding a Valentine's date night. For $50, couples can get 2 all-you-can-play wristbands and 2 $10 arcade cards. Forget all about the traditional lovey-dovey date ideas like dinner. Gross. Instead, take your date to Main Event, somewhere where she or he will really appreciate. Sure, $50 may be a steep, but core memories will be made. And come on, it's for your partner. Yeah, I actually kind of wish I had someone who loved me.
Dang, that's sad, but you know who does love me? Pete the Cat! If you're looking for something to read this Valentine's Day, Pete the Cat Valentine's Day is great selection for you. Once Pete the Cat realizes how much fun Valentine's Day can be, he decides to make a Valentine's cards for his family and friends. But what really happens is he realizes he's forgotten to make a card for a very important cat in Pete the Cat Valentine's Day, cool by James Dean. After a panicked moment for getting a card for his friend Callie, Pete learns to exploring and showing and caring how much what truly matters in Valentine's Day.
Coming up after the break, we have our weather report and Teacher of the Week. So, stay tuned.
Hey, I need you to put the phone away or I'm gonna have to take it.
I don't have to listen to you. I have 5 million power rising kingdoms. You are beneath me.
Really? I don't care what you have. Give me your phone and go to the AP. Go. Anyways, now that he's gone, we can continue with our math lesson. So.
Aw, it always works in the ass though.
It's Thursday the 12th and it will be partly cloudy during the day and night. It's going to be warm today with a high of 80 and a low of 58 with the chances of rain getting up to 23% tonight. Tomorrow we'll see mostly cloudy skies during the day with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 63 at night with the chances of rain getting up to 52%. Saturday will be mostly likely being seeing thunderstorms with guaranteed rainfall. There will be a high of 74 during the day and a low of 55 at night. Lastly, on Sunday, it will be partly cloudy all day at a high of 69 degrees during the day and a low of 46 at night, with the chances of rain being little to none. Did you know that the term jiffy is an actual unit of time referring to a 100th of a second? Kinda weird. Next up, we have our Teacher of the Week. Check it out.
We're here with
Christy Rogers.
and she nominated Miss Folger for Teacher of the Week. Would you like to tell us why you nominated her?
Well, she's been such a nice teacher all this year. She's been very, very helpful. I am very grateful to have her as my Spanish teacher. She's really fun to talk to, and she's just a great person to be around.
Would you like to share a story you had with her?
I don't really have a story, but I do have some nice moments where I get to hang out with my classmates and talk to her at the same time. We do have stories that we read, and she puts us in those scenarios, and it's kind of funny how we have to like picture it. But for me, I just enjoy being in her classroom.
Is there anything you'd like to say to her?
I love you, Miss Vogel.
Today we're here with Miss Volger, and we wanted to congratulate her on winning Teacher of the Week. What did you major in high school?
Okay, so I majored in Spanish and I minored in English.
What made you want to become a high school teacher?
Like, it would best go with my family. It gives me time to work and also after school be with my family. So, and plus, I love working with the kids, so.
Where'd you go to become a teacher?
I went to Sam Houston State. I was a Bearcat.
Finally, what would you like to say to the student that nominated you?
Thanks, Christy. Big hugs. I'm so excited and so surprised. I enjoy you in class, and thank you so much, darling.
Thank you for joining us.
Coming up after one more quick break, Big West takes the stage with his big sports report.
Hey, you there.
Oh, who are you?
Have you seen Conroe High's new a la carte line?
What's an a la
It's like
carte?
the regular lunch line, but better and different. Next time we go to lunch, maybe you should check out the a la carte line. It's pretty good.
Welcome back to another edition of the Big West Big Sports Report. I am obviously your host, your reporter, the one and only Wesley Big West Turner. Now first, I'm going to just say, I was right. I have been predicting it for weeks that the Seahawks would win the Super Bowl, and that they did. They won Super Bowl 60, defeating the New England Patriots 29-14 in what I believe was an absolute decimation of the Patriots offense, especially their offensive line, where they made Drake May officially the most sacked quarterback in a single NFL postseason with 21 sacks over 4 games, which I believe is just insane. But the Seahawks are not the only people that have been winning, as so has some of our countrymen and women in the Winter Olympic Games, with the U.S. team so far taking home 3 gold medals, 2 of them in 2 different skiing events, and another one in free and figure skating. And let me just tell you, I saw some of that figure skating performance. He was doing backflips on skates. If I went and did ice skating at like the Galleria, I would probably break both of my ankles. I don't know how he is doing all of these tricks, the quadruple axles or whatever, and it's just insane to me. But we're going to finish off this sports report by talking about the hometown boys, the Houston Rockets, as it is getting towards the later part in the NBA season. The Rockets currently are sitting 3rd in the Western Conference and 2nd in the Southwest Division, only behind the San Antonio Spurs. We wish them the best of luck the rest of their season. Their next game will be against the Charlotte Hornets in Charlotte on Thursday the 19th, but that's going to be all from me in the Big West Big Sports Report. So is unfortunately that time of the report where I must bid you adieu. So goodbye, mwah, good night, bang. Be sure to check out the upcoming episodes of Wes's World.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Beckham from the College and Career Center. I want to tell you guys about some different events coming up in February. So last week we had the college fair in the cafeteria. Hopefully you were able to stop by and visit with some of the colleges that were here. We have a career and tech school fair coming up in the middle of February. We'll have some tech schools here, some different job opportunities, especially for those seniors who are looking for jobs after they graduate. And we will also have an HBCU fair coming up for Black History Month towards the end of February. Seniors, make sure you're checking your emails and checking Canvas regularly. If you haven't ordered your cap and gown, it's time to do that. We have a lot of scholarships available, and make sure you complete the FAFSA because it is a graduation requirement. And juniors, if you have been checking your email, you have seen that Junior Jumpstart is coming up towards the end of February as well. This is a time for you and your parents to come to an event put on by colleges to talk about a lot of different topics related to options after high school. As always, students, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to stop by. Thank you.
Coming up on KTIG, there will be a no show on Tuesday, but we'll be returning Wednesday with another episode of Total Recap. Thursday, we'll be making crepes on a cooking with KTIG on Friday. We'll be joined by an episode of KTIG 9.
Also, CHS, remember to walk and talk and stay to the right.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Total Recap. Make sure to keep up with our Instagram, KTIG News, or on our website, ktignews.com.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to get notifications so you don't miss any of KTIG's shows. Remember, CHS,
Tigers achieve!
all Tigers do achieve, you're right!
All Tigers achieve!
Yeah!